Today I'm going to show you how I recreated Blackstone Buddy's smashed Greek tacos. Starting with a pound of ground lamb and adding some garlic. Certainly use chicken, or ground turkey. Now, I don't know if you follow Blackstone Buddy on YouTube, but you certainly should. She's amazing. She's like the queen of Blackstone griddling. Mix with my hands, using rubber gloves, of course. So I did alter the recipe slightly just to make it kind of an easy weeknight meal, but you'll definitely want to check out her full recipe. She uses lemon zest, fresh mint. I just realized I forgot the feta cheese. We're going to put in about 2 ounces of crumbled feta. You can make these smash tacos one of 2 ways. I'm forming them into balls and I'm going to smash them right on the Blackstone. You could also just spread them right onto your flour tortilla. I washed up. I'm going to go ahead and start on my cucumber and feta relish. Go ahead and put the cucumbers in the bowl. And I'm using pickled red onions or purple onions, whichever you prefer. Go ahead and get some of the brine in there also. I do make my own pickled red onions. I am cheating and using the jarred stuff today. Oh, so pretty. And then everything's better with feta. Sorry, that was cheesy. Just mixing this up, and this will top our beautiful smashed Greek tacos. Now we are ready to smash some tacos. Turning the Blackstone to medium. Put down the seasoned lamb, kind of spaced apart a little bit. Some flour tortillas right over top. And we're going to smash them. Give them a flip after about 4 minutes. They look so good. So these are done. I am going to top them with some store-bought tzatziki and this feta cucumber relish. It smells so good. Oh, I gotta go in for a taste test on this. It's going to be messy, but worth it. Oh yeah.